Go.
Congratulations on purchasing your new Forestry branded Forestry helmet systems. These instructions will work both with the RH7007, which is your clear face shield, or your RF2002, which will be using your mesh face screen. This box includes all the parts you need. You'll have a Ratchet suspension helmet. You'll have a 21 dB set of earmuffs. You'll have your clear shield and mesh face screen adapter kit. So let's put this thing together. So you'll need something to open this bag up. We'll use the scissors. We'll open this bag up. We'll get this helmet out. This is for a 6-point. You'll want to take your suspension out. It's already pre-made. All you have to do is simply put the tabs into the slots. There's 6 tabs and there's 6 slots. Make sure that you put them in so they'll snap into place and you'll hear them snap. You'll want those in good and tight to make sure that when you wearing your helmet, you're safe and you'll be able to have your Ratchet nice and snug. This controls your fit. This is your fit. So let's get on putting this together. You'll want to take your earmuffs first. There's your adapter. There's in a cap style helmet. There's your slot. You want to snap these in. These will go in kind of tight. You want them tight in there. There's your left. There's your right. There, they're in. You can move these around. Next, you want to take your screen adapter. There's your male. There's your female. You want to just slide those in until you hear a popping sound. Now, you'll want to put one side in first, then the other. If you go a little bit too far, you'll need a pen or a screwdriver to knock these back. You'll want to come down and have a nice fit so it'll guard that brim from debris and water coming down. Now next, you take your mesh shield or your clear screen and you simply line those up and turn the tabs and you'll have yourself a nice system. Thanks for purchasing this product. Have a great day.